George Soros enters the crypto market, and Klever is now #3 as far as social engagements. We will talk about that and much more on this episode of Max Crypto News. Grand Rising family, I want to welcome you to another episode of Max Crypto News, where we talk about these intangible coins at all times, family. Yes, family, George Soros has decided to enter into the crypto world. And Klever is making strides, family. I will show you how Klever is slowly moving up in all categories as far as it pertains to crypto. Listen, family, if you're not subscribed to Bittrex on YouTube, I need y'all to go find Bittrex, hit that subscribe button, family, hit that notification bell so you will be notified whenever a new video drops. And if you like the content, family, like the video, and also leave a comment, family. If you want to, you can leave a comment just so I can know what you think about the video or the content. Family, Freedom of North Carolina, the official trailer is out. I'm playing it right now. You can go to Freedom of NC on YouTube to watch the official trailer, or Freedom of North Carolina on Facebook or Twitter, and you will be able to watch the official trailer and listen to it. It's something that's coming out Juneteenth, family. It's very important. It's going to be one of the biggest films of this year. And I'm not just saying it because I'm in it. I'm saying it because it's been a lot of hard work and dedication that has been put into this movie, and it'll be coming out real soon, right? Also, family, if you want to learn how to do, to invest in the liquidity pools and do the farming, family, send me an email at maxcryptonews@gmail.com, or you can email me at bmac252.sf@gmail.com, and you will be able to, I will email you back with the information to get started in the classes, family. Right, with that being said, let me get out of here. Let me stop this. Let me share my screen, and we're gonna jump right in. We're gonna go to Coin Market Cap. We can see them. Refresh my screen. Bitcoin at $55,924, looking good. It was over 56,000 a couple hours ago, but it's still looking good. Ethereum $1,702. Binance Coin $269.96. You know what? Let me go ahead and pay some bills real fast. You know, I've been promoting this GSX coin. And you know, it's the world's first growth coin. It's done by Apollo FinTech. Apollo has been sending out text messages. You can sign up with the GSX to get them to send text messages to your phone to keep you updated with what's going on. Just to let y'all know, you can sign up to get text messages to keep you updated with what's going on, right? But let's play this.
Introducing gold secured currency, better known as GSX, the first of a new genre of currencies called growth coins. A growth coin combines all of the best elements of a stable coin, an investment coin, and a traditional cryptocurrency into one secured currency. The benefits: 1. It's backed. GSX is trust-backed by land rights and gold. The starting value has been set with the assets backing GSX, now with many large-scale mines and refineries being added. These include a number of future alluvial and hard rock gold mines, copper mines, a tantalum mine, a nickel mine, and a lithium mine. 2. Trust ownership. GSX holders are the trust beneficiaries of all land rights. What this means is that even if something was to happen to Apollo FinTech, The assets would be sold and the proceeds would go directly to the holders of GSX. 3. Growth. There will be a continual increase in the amount of mineral-rich land and gold backing of GSX. 50% of the metals mined after expenses and expansion will back GSX, so the asset value will grow constantly. The first-year minimum asset goal is $7 billion, making the individual asset value 23 cents to the US dollar per GSX. Second year is $20 billion in assets, making the asset value 66 cents per US dollar per GSX. And the third year is $30 billion in assets, making the asset value $1 per GSX. This trend should continue along a similar pace. 4. Audited. GSX gold and metal reserves will be continuously audited by some of the most respected auditing firms such as BVA. 5. Dividends. GSX holders are entitled to yearly dividends of 50% of all gold and metals mined and refined after expenses and expansion. 6. Coin burn. 50% of the $10 billion offered that is not sold in CDE will be burned. The value will move to the surviving GSX. 7. Redeemable. GSX will be redeemable for its gold value, so it will help to maintain a more constant price. 8. Quantum resistance. GSX will be one of the first quantum-resistant stable coins with the integration of the quantum steel cryptography algorithm. 9. Participation. GSX is more than an investment. It's an experience. Holders will be able to visit and stay at the main mine at the GSX Visitor Center. They will be able to participate in elements of mining, such as testing out equipment, watching explosives, prospecting with the pros, testing, and many more experiences that offer the true gold rush thrill. Furthermore, the team is planning to put up 24/7 live feed cameras, allowing holders the ability to take part in the action from the comfort of their home. Gold-secured currency is a new kind of investment, an investment that allows its holders the ability to watch their net worth expand, to collect profits, and even participate. Take part in the world's newest and most innovative financial tool and take part in history. Introducing gold-secured currency.
All right, family. So it's a description, and it's a link in the description where you can get signed up with the GSX going. Right now, you will get 5% buying bonus, and if you use my link, you get another 5% buying bonus. Right? All right, let's get back to coin market cap. You got Binance coin at $270. Tether, number 4, ADA, Cardano, $1.18, Polkadot $32.21, XRP is at 55 cents, Uniswap $28.15, Data at $12.54, Litecoin at $184.63. Litecoin really haven't made that move yet. Like I'm expecting. Chainlink at $26. Bitcoin Cash at $501.29. Stellar look like it's trying to break out at 40 cents. We will see if it gets shut down or if it's able to continue going up. We will see. And we have Clayton. Clayton just came out of the blue, and it's at number 15 at $3.58, family. So that round out the top 15. All right, so let's go into George Soros information, right? So we're gonna start off with this article where it says Bitcoin no longer a fringe asset due to US dollar debasement, says Soros fund exec. So we'll play this.
Bitcoin no longer a fringe asset due to US dollar debasement, says Soros fund exec. Soros Fund Management Chief Information Officer Don Fitzpatrick said Bitcoin, BTC, may once have been considered a fringe asset, but the inflation of the United States dollar has changed that. Speaking to Bloomberg, Fitzpatrick said her firm, an asset management fund created by global investor George Soros, had recently begun to take an interest in Bitcoin. We think the whole infrastructure around crypto is really interesting, and we've been making some investments into that infrastructure, and we think that is at an inflection point, said Fitzpatrick. That inflection point is coming as a result of fiat inflation, which has seen the US dollar money supply increase by 25% in the past year alone. Fitzpatrick said. I think when it comes to crypto generally, we're at a really important moment in time, in that, something like Bitcoin might have stayed a fringe asset, but for the fact that, over the last 12 months, we've increased money supply in the US by 25%. Soros Fund made 2 investments in crypto-focused projects this month alone. The first was as part of a $200 million funding round held by NEDIG, while the second was an investment in crypto accounting firm, Luca, which raised $53 million on March 25. The fund's faith in Bitcoin and its related technologies appears to be equally matched by its distaste for more fiat inflation, of which Fitzpatrick says there is a real fear. So there's a real fear of debasing fiat currencies. And when you think about Bitcoin, I don't think of it as a currency, I think of it as a commodity. But it's a commodity that's easily storable, easily transferable. Fitzpatrick briefly mentioned central bank digital currencies, particularly in relation to China, which she says is moving strategically to become the first mover in CBDC technology. However, even if China is the first to launch a centrally issued digital currency, Fitzpatrick doesn't think its effect on Bitcoin would be too destabilizing in the long run. They want that to be used around the world, and it is a potential threat to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, said Fitzpatrick, adding, I think it is a real threat, but I think it will be temporary. I don't think it will be successful in permanently destabilizing Bitcoin.
All right, family. So, this right here it's alarming because it has me wondering, have Bitcoin reached the top? When you get these big investors like Soros, and let's say Warren Buffett, if they start getting in and their investment firms are investing, I'm starting to feel a little toppish, y'all. When they start getting in, it's like we might be close to the top, y'all. So we will see. We know the month of April is going to be a big month for Bitcoin. April is always a big month for the market. So we'll see how the market reacts in April. But beyond April, I don't know. We'll just have to sit back and see, right? This is another article, y'all, where this is basically talking about the same thing. In short, about Soros investment chief sees crypto at inflection point. Fitzpatrick also thinks Bitcoin is eating into demand for gold. And this is what I wanted to read when he was talking about that's the bigger question, is when Bitcoin starts taking the position of gold away. I can't find it, but you know that I think hard metals total market cap is around $10 trillion. Bitcoin at 1 trillion now. So as Bitcoin keep going up and it start reaching 5 trillion and beyond, you know, it's going to affect gold, and people are going to start saying, well, instead of investing in gold, let's invest in Bitcoin. And that's when Bitcoin really is going to get very pricey once people start replacing gold. It's already replacing it. In my eyes, it's a better form of gold, but that right there is going to garner a lot of attention and warrant the price of Bitcoin going up more, right? Let me stop sharing my screen, family, because this is an article that I want to pull up. I didn't already have it pulled up, so I need to pull it up right now. Okay, this is the article. Let me pull this up real fast. Sorry about this, y'all. I didn't already have it pulled up right now. Let me share my screen. Now, this article kind of like goes in partly with what was going on, what was being said. But before I read this article, let me go ahead and handle this on Pie Network. Y'all know y'all can get a piece of the pie. It's a link in the description. I'm not going to play this, but you know it's a link in the description. You can get signed up and you can mine your pie and get pie for free. And you know, download it to your phone. Use Max Crypto News as your referral link. We all be mining this pie together. Eventually, pie will be listed on network, on exchanges. It's gonna be worth something. So you're gonna want to be getting it free while you can, right? And it's a link in the description. So let's get to this real fast, right? Investors seek Bitcoin haven amid weakening dollar worries. This article came out yesterday. It says Warren Buffett hates cryptocurrencies. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen isn't a fan, and neither is Bill Gates. Ditto for scores of great economic minds who call the rise of crypto like Bitcoin a bubble, and a lot worse. But if Bitcoin is in a bubble, what is the US dollar in right now? That's the real question. I have my doubts as well. I've seen too many pet.coms in my career covering Wall Street to embrace a so-called currency that can't even be used to buy a slice of pizza. Bitcoin is not a currency to be spent. Bitcoin is meant to be used as a store of value. So let's correct this. Bitcoin is not meant to be used as a currency where you spend. It's meant to be used as a store of value. That's what Bitcoin is used for. You have other altcoins that are meant to be currency, but we'll keep moving, right? What has me thinking twice, however, is what's going on in Washington. If the cryptos are a bubble, what do we make of the US dollar, which is being debased even as I write this? I just asked the same question. Increasingly, investors are waking up to the reality that the massive spending in Washington won't end well. Have y'all paid attention that when you go, everything is going up in the stores. All the stores' prices of goods are going up. You know what? Yes, I'm gonna save I'm really gonna save majority of this for a different conversation. All right, but it says, yes, drug deals are transacted in Bitcoin, and speculative day traders have pushed this price up 667% over the past year. But based on my reporting, it's more than just a bunch of Robinhood types becoming crypto believers. Mainstream investors are also snapping it up as they become worried about inflation and the dollar. World War II was the last time we had deficits like this, and the Fed intervened to keep interest rates low, said Jason Bisana Trenert, Chief Executive of Strategist, a firm that provides research to large investors. There was inflation during the war, but nowhere really to go. Investors today have a great ability to park their money somewhere else. That's one of the reasons you have higher Bitcoin prices. Right? I'm not going to read too much more. Just understand, y'all, that this article is asking the question about all this money that's being printed. And Bitcoin is in a bubble. What is the US dollar in right now? I'm going to leave this here. I'm going to talk about this a little bit more, not on Max Crypto News though. I'm just talking about this in general. But, so let me leave that on. So listen, y'all, I was talking a little bit about Klever, and I told y'all that Klever right now is number 3 under social engagement. This is Lunar Crush. Lunar Crush is the app, website you can sign up for. But you see Klever under social engagement is only 6 million below Ethereum to pass Ethereum as far as social engagement. So Klever's moving up. Social contributors, there's no way up here. It ain't made it. Social dominance, Klever's at number 9. Klever is moving up, y'all. Just understand this. Shared links. Klever ain't made it, right? Social value. Klever at number 9 as far as social value. So Klever is just slowly inching its way up these links. I think shared links is not up here at all yet. It ain't made it on the shared links, right? But as far as this social value, it's number 9. Social engagement is number 3. And social dominance is number 9. Klever is starting to make its way up, family. Now, here's a tweet about Klever under the Crypto Social Club, right? Daily best products. Klever is at number 1. Then you got Wearable, Fusion Protocol, Exceed Me, and X and transfers, right? But according to this Crypto Social Club, Klever is number 1. One more thing, family. If you did participate in the Klever and the KFI mining, you need to go on your Klever app and make sure you turn on your KFI. Under your token filter, when you go into all KFI, you need to turn it on. Once you turn it on, you should receive your KFI token. As soon as you turn this on, you should receive it, right? So family, again, I appreciate y'all for watching this episode of Max Crypto News. The official trailer of Freedom, North Carolina is here. It's out, family. Y'all go check that out. If y'all like the content, thumb up the video. If you don't, thumb it down. You know, subscribe if you like the information, or share it to another family member so they can, if you know anybody interested in crypto, share the channel. Let them know, hey, come check this out. And with that being said, family, I love y'all. I'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace. Why do?